In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a game in Claude AI in 3 minutes. We will use Claude Sonnet right in the browser and take advantage of the artifacts feature, which lets Claude generate, render, and run a complete HTML5 and JavaScript game instantly, so you can see and play what it builds without leaving the page. Start by opening Claude AI. Make sure you are signed into a plan that includes artifacts. When Artifacts is available, you will see a side panel appear whenever Claude produces code or visuals. That panel is the live canvas where your project will be previewed as soon as the model finishes generating, which makes testing incredibly fast. Next, give Claude a high-level prompt. Instead of piecing together instructions, ask for a single self-contained web game. Self-contained means everything HTML, CSS, and JavaScript lives in one file, so it's easy to run in the Artifacts panel and to copy later if you want. Keep the request specific about genre, controls, and features so the model understands exactly what to deliver and you don't have to wire parts together manually. Here's a prompt you can paste as is. Build a simple, playable 2D web game in one HTML file using JavaScript. The game should be a side-scrolling, jump game where a puppy dog jumps over fire hydrants. Include tap to start, scoring, and basic 8-bit style graphics. Use request animation frame for the loop. Send that message. Claude will generate the full code, and the artifact side panel will spin up the game automatically. You'll see a canvas with retro-style art, a tap to start prompt, and a score counter. Click or tap to begin, then jump the puppy over incoming hydrants to keep the run going and increase your score. Because it's an HTML5 canvas game, it's responsive and quick to load, and you can immediately test how it feels right in the browser window. Behind the scenes, the animation loop is powered by Request Animation Frame, which syncs updates to the browser's refresh rate for smooth movement and efficient performance. Because the project lives in a single HTML file, it launches instantly in Artifacts and stays portable if you decide to save it or tweak details like speed, gravity, or sprite size later. Clear, top-level instructions also help Claude structure the code cleanly, with everything bundled for instant play. And that's it. Have fun experimenting with themes and mechanics, and enjoy building fast. Thanks for watching.